getting to see everybody. You know, we had a very limited attendance last year, and now with you know, all the restrictions gone, there's way more people here. It's been more fun. Lots of good interactions, good meetings, so it's been fun.
Robotic mowers. That's something I hadn't seen in the last couple of years, and you've got multiple brands out there pushing for that. So I'm looking forward to see where that goes in the coming years, and how that'll help the industry out with obviously current labor issues that we're all facing.
At this year's golf show, I was able to stop at University of Bruce and see independent testing that we may use for trialing our turfgrass genetics.
Oh, I've been excited to see all the customers that are really interested in the digital aspect and what we have to offer.
Most interesting thing I've seen is all the exciting new technology.
SiteOne is unique in the fact that we are one of the few that actually offers online purchasing for all lines of business for a golf course superintendent, including irrigation, hardscapes, nursery, fertility. Also give that superintendent the opportunity to order that all from the palm of his hand on his phone.